Hello, everyone. My name is Rodrigo, and we are here to bring to you the IIASVERSE Extended Reality. It's an immersive experience, and we are being here with all focus in Web 3.0 and Industry 4.0. All you see here is integrated in real time in the real world.
Hi everyone, my name is Alita Reggie. This program is developed to train our future astronauts on Moon and Mars while saving on time, cost, and improving efficiency so that we can make our dream of space for all a reality.
Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Webb Buffington, and I am a Possum Advanced Academy program graduate. I am here in the metaverse experiencing the Martian experience. I have never before seen such a realistic simulation of Mars, and I am so excited for the future of this software and the opportunities it brings to students.
And we hope to see you all guys in an analog astronaut conference in 2023. See you later.
Masalama. Bye-bye.
Bye.